Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make Cinderella mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and pour some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to pour 20 ml of lemon juice. Then you have to pour 120 ml of pineapple juice. And then you have to pour 120 ml of orange juice. So this is the combination of orange and pineapple mocktail. Then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. This is very fancy mocktail, you can try. Then you have to take a pilsner glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the pilsner glass. Then you have to pour 15 ml of grenadine syrup from the top of the glass. Then you have to garnish the mocktail with pineapple slice or orange slice or mint sprigs. Thank you very much for watching my video.